Hello children, how are you? I hope yesterday I have given you two questions to do as for your practice. Question number 5 and 6 I gave you. I hope you have done the question and practiced all the question also. Now let us continue in self practice 8b. Self practice 8b, page number 94. Let us continue question number 7. Question number 7, that is 44 multiplied with 13 by 220. This is the question. Yes. So now we know the method. First, write in the denominator 1. 44 by 1. Yes. Denominator 1. Multiply and write this number 13 by 220. Now we have to see any common factor. Yes. See any common factor here. So 44 and 220. 44 and 220. What will be the common factor? 1 is a common factor, 2 also a common factor, and see whether 4 also a common factor. For 44, 4 is common factor. For 220 is 4 common factor. Divide this number by 4. If it divides exactly without remainder, then 4 is a common factor. Yes, so in 22 you can divide 5 times. 5 4 20, remainder 2. Yes, and this 2 carry. So 20 coming. So 20 divided by 4. Yes, 5 times 20. Remainder is 0. So now we can say that 4 is a factor of 220. Yes, so it divides exactly. So how would it divide? 55 times. So divide this 44 by 4 and 220 also by 4. How many 4 here? 10 4 40, 11 4 44, 11 times. Here in 220 you are getting 55 times. 55 times. See again any common factor. Here is 11 and here is 55. Yes. So again there is a factor again. So you can divide this 11 and 55 again by 11. Divide both the number by 11. 1 times 11. Here how many 11? 5 times 11. Yes. So now see that here right multiply. Okay, 1 multiply 13. Yes. 1 multiply 13 how much? 1 multiply 13 13 by 1 multiply 5 1 5 5. So if the answer is improper, convert the improper into like a mixed fraction. So divide this 13 by 5. You can divide 2 times. So 2 times you can divide 10 and the remainder is 3 and the divisor is 5. So answer is 2, 3 by 5 is the answer. This is the rough work. This is the answer. Next let us see question number 8. See question 8, that is 75 multiply 19 by 100. 75 multiply 19 by 100. So here same method follow. 75 by 1 multiply 19 by 100. For 75 and 100 we have the common factor. Yes. So 75 is 100. What are the common factors? 1 is there, then 5 is there, then again we can say 25 also a common factor. 25. So divide by 25. 3 times 25. Okay. 3 25 75 and 4 25 100. Yes. So now see any common factor here? Nothing. Yes. So multiply the numerator. 3 multiply 19. 3 19 how much? 3 19 57. Yes. So 19 multiply 3. If you multiply 3, 3 9 13 27 and 2 3 1 3. So 57 you are getting. 3 multiply 19 is 57 by 1 multiply 4 is 4. So here the last step is a improper, convert into mix. So divide 57 by 4. 57 by 4. So 1 times 4, remainder 1, 17, 4, 4, 16, remainder 1. So answer is 14, 1 by 4 is the answer. 14, 1 by 4 is the answer. Now let us see next question number 9. I hope this is very easy now. I feel you got the idea. Question number 9. See that 12 multiplying 7 by 20. Yes. Write the denominator 1. 12 by 1 multiply with 7 by 20. Yes. So 12 and 20 common factors. 12, 20 common factor is, so 1 is also factor, 2 is also a factor, and 4 also a factor. Yes. So take 4 and divide. 12 divided by 4, 20 divided by 4. Okay. How many times 4 here? 3 times 4 here. 5, 4, 20. Yes. So now multiply the numerator. 3 multiply 7. 3 multiply 7 by 1 multiply 5. So what's the answer? 3 7 21 by 5. Yes. Convert into mixed. So 4 1 by 5 is the answer. 4 1 by 5 is the answer. And the next 10th question. 18 multiply 4 by 33. Yes. So now 18 by 1 multiply 4 by 33. Common factor is 3. Divide by 3. 6 3. Yes. Divide by 3. Both numbers you are dividing by 3. 6 3 18. Here 10 3 11 3. Yes. 11 times 3. If any other common factor there? No. So multiply the numerator. 6 multiply 4. 6 4 how much? 6 multiply 4. 6 4 24 by 111 11. So at last divide this 24 by 11. 2 times 22 and 2 by 11 is the answer. 2 by 11 is the answer. Yes children, how easy this answer? Yes, no? Just very easy steps. I hope you can do 2 questions. Okay, just do this 2 questions for your practice. 11 and 12. Same method, just like this. Follow same method step by step, and I feel it is very easy for you. You can do this 2 questions very easy. Just do it and practice it. Next, let us move on to next exercise, self practice 8C. Now we are going to do this exercise based on some life experience, some day-to-day life. It will be very useful. We are using this one, and now we are going to calculate accurately. Okay, how much we used, how much everything left, like that. Now this is a day-to-day life experience. We are going to learn this one. It's very useful. Now first question. Just take page number 95. Can you take page number 95? Self practice 8. See page number 95. You can take the first question. Just page number 95. Neha took 5 by 9 liter of orange juice to the gym. She drank 1 by 10 of it in the gym. How many liters of orange juice did she drink and how much was left? Just read the question one more time. You will get some idea. If you understand the question first, then its answer is very easy. You can go it. Just the question is given like that. Neha took 5 by 9 liters of oranges to the gym. She drank. Neha drinks how much? Neha drinks orange juice. Okay, Neha, how much orange juice he is drinking? Okay, Neha drinks 1 by 10. 1 by 10 of it is given. Yes, just read the question. Neha drank 1 by 10 of it. The meaning it, no? The meaning it. It shows that it shows that the first number before 1 by 10, what is the number given before 1 by 10? See now, first Neha took 5 by 9 liter of orange juice. Yes, so how much is taken? Neha taken. Yes, Neha taken totally 5 by 9 liter. Yes, so Neha taken total 5 by 9 liter to the gym. So when she went to the gym, there she drinks 1 by 10 of it. So it, the meaning, in the place of it, you have to write. So the first number what they giving, first fraction number. Okay, before 1 by 10, what is the first number they are giving? 5 by 9. Okay, from this amount only, from this only she is drinking. Yes. So what she taking there, that only she drinks. Yeah. So write this number here. Okay. So write 5 by 9. Yes. So now we know wherever the place of mean what? Of mean we have to multiply. Yes, wherever of the word coming, this here you have to write multiplying symbol. So 1 by 10 multiply 5 by 9. Yes, so now it is the multiplication. Yes, multiplication. See, crosswise check it. 1 and 9. There is no common factor. So if it works, okay, leave it. And here look, 5 and 10. 5 is the common factor. Yes, divide by 5. 1 times 5. How many 5 in 10? 2 times 5. So here 1 multiply 1 is 1. And the denominator 2 multiply 9 is 2 9 18. Yes. So Neha drinks how much? Neha drinks 1 by 18. Neha drinks. So Neha drank how much? 1 by 18 liter. Yes. Then in the question itself they are asking one more. They are asking, this is the she drank. Yes. Neha drinks this much. She eaten. Yes. The remaining they are asking how much was left. Okay, left. They asking how much was left. Left juice. Yes. So we know what is the meaning of left. Left means we know. Yes, no. Wherever in the problem solving, left means that what we will do, we will do the minus. Yes. Wherever left means we will do the minus, subtraction. So now from where we will subtract how much she is taking to the gym. So total she is taking from 5 by 9. Total she is taking 5 by 9. Yes, from 5 by 9 liter. From this total only how much she drinks. From this how much she drinks. she drinks, okay, subtract this, okay, left means subtraction, okay, from total, she drinks 1 by 18. Students, look at this, 5 by 9 minus 1 by 8. So, we can subtract, yes. So, we already know subtraction in lesson 7, yes. How we can subtract? When the denominator same number, we can subtract. Here look at the denominator, here is 9 and there is 18. So both is not common, okay, not equal. So make the denominator equal. So how we can make the equal? So here is 18, here is 9. So find the LCM of 9 and 18. Yes, 9 and 18. LCM of 9 and 18. LCM of LCM of 9 and 18 is 18 only. Yes. So we can find out LCM of 9 and 18 is 18. We know the method how to find out the LCM. If you don't know, just one more time, just go to that lesson and revise it. How to find out the LCM? It's very easy. There are 2-3 ways given there. Yes, very easy. Just here is 18 given. Make this 9 also into 18. So 9 multiplied to 18. Yes, 9 multiplied to 18. So multiply here with 2. That is 5 by 9. Yes, 5 by 9. 9 multiply to 18. Yes, 18 no, 9 multiplied to 18. So multiply 2 minus 1 by 18. So now you know 5 multiplied to 10 by 18 minus 1 by 18. See the denominator 18, 18, same. Yes, now we can subtract it. 10 minus 1. Subtract the numerator. From 10, subtract 1. 10 minus 1 is 9 and the denominator is 18. So answer is how much left? 9 by 18 is the left. 9 by 18 is left. So 9 by 18. This is 9 by 18. Yes, no? At last in the answer how we will write. So if there is any common factor, we will cancel it and we will write in the simplest form. Yes, simplest form. So here look at this. So this is not in the simplest form. 9 and 18. Both can be divided by 1, 3 and 9. So divide by 9. How many times 9? 1 times 9. In 18 how many times 9? 2 times. Yes. Cancel by 1 time, here is 2 times. So 1 by 2 is the answer. At last write later. 1 by 2 later. Next let us do next problem solving. Next second problem solving. Second problem solving. 1/4 students of a class or in the animation club. Yes, 2 by 5 of these students are taking part in the movie making competition. What fraction of the class is taking part in the competition? Yes, okay, they just read one more time question. Whatever given, just collect it. From that we will go to the solve the problem. Just take your book and see the question. If you follow the question only, it's very easy to understand. Yes, first read the question 2 or 3 times also. So 1/4 of the students are in the animation club. Yes. In animation club, how many students? 1/4. 1/4 means how we will write? 1/4 means 1 by 4. Yes, 1/4 means 1 by 4. In the animation club, 1 by 4 of the class students there. Then afterwards, 2 by 5 of these students. So in this only, in the animation club, how much there? From them only, from them 2 by 5 of these students are taking part in the movie making competition. Yes. In movie making competition. In movie making competition, 2 by 5 of these students. Yes. So here I want to emphasize here 2 by 5 of these students. So what is the meaning of these students? So here whom they are pointing out, these students, it refers to who is in the animation club. Yes, who is in the animation club. That is how we will write 2 by 5 of means multiplication. These students, so how many? These students 1 by 4. Yes, 1 by 4. Got it? So this one you can leave it. Yes, 2 by 5 of, yes. So this one answer. Next one, they asking you what fraction of the class is taking part in the competition. Yes. So in movie making competition, how many they asking? What's the fraction in movie making competition? So listen. See the common factor 2 and 4. Common factor is 2. 1 times 2, 2 times 2. Yes. Now multiply the numerator. 1 multiply 1 is 1. And multiply the denominator. 5 multiply 2 is 10. Yes. So answer is 1 by 10. Okay. This is the fraction of the class student. They are participating in the movie making competition. Okay, in the movie making competition, 1 by 10 of the student. Okay, they are participating. Next, let us see the third question. Chris spent 8 by 11 of an hour on his science project. He spent 3 by 4 of this time building his Earth model. How much time did he spend building his Earth model? So they are asking, just one more time, read the question. One more time. For Chris spent science project, yes? Third question, for science project. For science project, how much time he spent? 8 by 11 of an hour. Yes, in 1 hour he spent 8 by 11. Okay, this much he spent for the science project. He spent 3 by 4 of this time in building this earth model. Okay, for earth model. Okay, here you can tell maybe time spent also you can write. Time spent for science project, and next time spent for earth making model. Yes, earth model. For earth model, how much time is spent? For earth model is spent 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of this time. Of this time. They told here of this time. So here this time it refers to what number? 8 by 11. Yes. So you can tell that is 3 by 4 multiply, of mean multiply. So this time it is referring here 8 by 11. Yes. So now it's a hour. Yes. No. In hour they are telling. Okay. Now cancel common factor 4 and 8. 1 times 4, 2 times 4. So 3 multiplied 2. 3 multiplied 2 is 6. And 1 multiplied 11 is 11. So this much hour is using for earth making model. This much is the fraction of time. Okay. Third question 6 by 11 hour. Yes. So just very easy the step. Okay. Don't be confused when looking at the problem solving. Okay. Indeed, the problem solving is the very easy thing if we see it very in a correct manner. So if you focus it nicely, if you show the interest in a good way, we can do any question nice. Okay, like this. Okay, how easy, no? Okay, just for it, it's very easy. Just I want you to revise this again and practice it. We will see it. Okay, and we will see in the remaining problem in the tomorrow session. Okay, we'll see it again tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.